30. 走在街上的时候，问路。鞋店在哪儿？
Where's the shoe store?
Where is the shoe store?
对不起，我迷路了。
Excuse me, but I'm lost.
Excuse me, but I'm lost.
我在地图上的什么地方？
Where am I on this map?
Where am I on this map?
这条街叫什么名字？
What's the name of this street?
What's the name of this street?
这附近有邮局吗？
Is there a post office near here?
Is there a post office near here?
去樱花饭店怎么走？
How do I get to the Sakura Hotel?
How do I get to the Sakura Hotel?
从第一个信号灯往右拐。
Turn right at the first traffic light.
Turn right at the first traffic light.
洗手间在哪儿？
Where's the restroom?
Where's the restroom?
在右边。
It's on the right.
It's on the right.
一直走到第二个街区。
Go straight for 2 blocks.
Go straight for 2 blocks.
在左侧拐角那儿就能看见。
You'll see it at the corner on your left.
You'll see it at the corner on your left.
对不起，我也是第一次来这儿。
Sorry, I'm new here too.
Sorry, I'm new here too.
在那家咖啡馆的旁边。
It's next to the coffee shop.
It's next to the coffee shop.
在市政厅的对面。
It's across from City Hall.
It's across from City Hall.
正对着市政厅。
It faces City Hall.
It faces City Hall.
在书店和药店之间。
It's between the bookstore and the drugstore.
It's between the bookstore and the drugstore.
在教堂的这一边。
It's on this side of the church.
It's on this side of the church.
在这条路的尽头。
It's at the end of this street.
It's at the end of this street.
这儿离新宿近吗？
Am I near Shinjuku?
Am I near Shinjuku?
这儿离新宿有多远？
How far is it to Shinjuku?
How far is it to Shinjuku?
要多长时间？
How long will it take?
How long will it take?
5分钟左右。
About 5 minutes.
About 5 minutes.
到那儿远吗？
Is it far?
Is it far?
不远。
Not far.
Not far.
到新宿哪条路最好走？
What's the easiest way to get to Shinjuku?
What's the easiest way to get to Shinjuku?
坐出租车去最容易找到。
The easiest way is to take a taxi.
The easiest way is to take a taxi.
到新宿哪条道最快？
What's the quickest way to get to Shinjuku?
What's the quickest way to get to Shinjuku?
在哪儿可以发信？
Where can I mail this?
Where can I mail this?
在哪儿可以打电话？
Where can I make a phone call?
Where can I make a phone call?
这是条近路吗？
Is this the shortcut?
Is this the shortcut?
乘坐交通工具，请给我一张地铁图。
A subway map, please.
A subway map, please.
售票处在哪儿？
Where's the ticket counter?
Where's the ticket counter?
到新宿多少钱？
How much is the fare to Shinjuku?
How much is the fare to Shinjuku?
150日元。
It's 150 yen.
It's 150 yen.
到新宿我该坐哪趟车？
Which train should I take to Shinjuku?
Which train should I take to Shinjuku?
我该在哪站换车？
Where am I supposed to change?
Where am I supposed to change?
我要到迪洼，在哪儿下车？
Where am I supposed to get off for Ogikubo?
Where am I supposed to get off for Ogikubo?
到新宿换乘 JR 的中央线。
You can change to the JR Chuo line at Shinjuku.
You can change to the JR Chuo line at Shinjuku.
在哪儿能坐上快车？
Where can I catch an express train?
Where can I catch an express train?
到第二站台。
Go to track number 2.
Go to track number 2.
电车多长时间来一趟？
How often do the trains come?
How often do the trains come?
10分钟一趟。
The trains come every 10 minutes.
The trains come every 10 minutes.
下趟快车是几点？
When is the next express?
When is the next express?
到条部的末班车是几点？
What time is the last train to Chofu?
What time is the last train to Chofu?
下趟车是快车吗？
Is the next train an express?
Is the next train an express?
这趟车在条部停吗？
Does this train stop at Chofu?
Does this train stop at Chofu?
从这里数第4站。
It's the 4th stop from here.
It's the 4th stop from here.
下站。
After the next stop.
After the next stop.
到新宿还有几站？
How many stops are there to Shinjuku?
How many stops are there to Shinjuku?
下站是哪儿？
What's the next stop?
What's the next stop?
下站是条部。
The next stop is Chofu.
The next stop is Chofu.
我在哪儿可以打到车？
Where can I get a taxi?
Where can I get a taxi?
出租车站在哪儿？
Where's the taxi stand?
Where's the taxi stand?
请帮我叫辆出租车。
Call me a taxi, please.
Call me a taxi, please.
到市中心得多长时间？
How long does it take to get downtown?
How long does it take to get downtown?
要花多少钱？
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
您去哪儿？
Where to?
Where to?
请到华尔街。
To Wall Street, please.
To Wall Street, please.
请到这个地址。
To this address, please.
To this address, please.
我有急事。
I'm in a hurry.
I'm in a hurry.
请走最近的路。
Take the shortest way, please.
Take the shortest way, please.
请您在这儿稍等一下。
Could you wait for me, please?
Could you wait for me, please?
请在这儿停吧。
Stop here, please.
Stop here, please.
您能帮我拿一下行李吗？
Could you help me carry my bag?
Could you help me carry my bag?
到那儿的话要花多少钱？
How much would it cost to get there?
How much would it cost to get there?
公共汽车站在哪儿？
Where's the bus stop?
Where's the bus stop?
有去机场的大巴吗？
Is there a bus to the airport?
Is there a bus to the airport?
美术馆是第几站？
How many stops to the museum?
How many stops to the museum?
下趟到成田机场的车是几点？
When is the next bus to Narita?
When is the next bus to Narita?
这辆车是去机场的吗？
Does this bus go to the airport?
Does this bus go to the airport?
麻烦您到站时告诉我一声。
Could you tell me when to get off?
Could you tell me when to get off?
汽车刚走。
The bus has just left.
The bus has just left.
汽车没有准时来。
The buses don't come on time.
The buses don't come on time.
这儿有人坐吗？
Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
路上是不是很堵车？
Isn't the traffic heavy?
Isn't the traffic heavy?
租车。租车的事儿，我该问谁？
Who should I ask about car rentals?
Who should I ask about car rentals?
我想租辆车。
I'd like to rent a car, please.
I'd like to rent a car, please.
你喜欢什么车型？
What type do you have in mind?
What type do you have in mind?
小型车就可以。
A compact, please.
A compact, please.
有日本车吗？
Do you have any Japanese cars?
Do you have any Japanese cars?
租金是多少？
What's the rental fee?
What's the rental fee?
一天30美金，每公里加20美分。
$30 a day plus 20 cents per mile.
$30 a day plus 20 cents per mile.
你要上保险吗？
Do you want insurance?
Do you want insurance?
我要上全部的保险。
I'd like full insurance.
I'd like full insurance.
我能把车放在
Can I drop off the car in...
Can I drop off the car in...
交通标志。进行。
No outlet.
No outlet.
禁止停车。
No parking.
No parking.
禁止超车。
No passing.
No passing.
单行线。
One-way street.
One-way street.
十字路口。
Road junction.
Road junction.